My friend Justin's gonna play Raining Blood with a hyperspeed 5 times.
Justin, aka GameFreehk13. Forgot that part. What?
Your fingers like playing with this drum.
Can't do any better on any slower.
You serious?
I really suck at this song. I suck, period.
No, you don't. Ruby can't do this good.
Huh?
Ruby can't do this good. Ruby doesn't even play with me anymore, I don't think.
I'm the best kid in my school, though.
You better than Tori? Oh, you hear that, Tori? He just dissed you.
She already knows I'm better than her.
Doesn't matter, you dissed her.
See, it made me suck. Yes! What? God. Dude.
What? Good. Good schmitz. See, you don't suck, it says you rock.
I guess.
And we thought you were gonna fail.
I only 3 started though.
Let's zoom in on those scores right there. Got a more stats. Detailed breakdown. Go down. See, look, 100% of that part and that part and that part. Ooh.
Those are like the easiest parts, dude.
You would have done better on the flood if you wanted to try to tap.
I can tap on like slowest, it's slow.
Yeah, but I'm talking about on this part. You would have done better.